Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the editor and loading a new level. This gets you into the logic fast. Once loaded, create a clear plan. Decide player control, gravity changes, and camera behavior. Next, set basic level properties, size, tempo, and the player icon, because these anchor every mechanic you add later. While you do this, add a simple test platform and a checkpoint object. That gives immediate feedback. Make sure to save versions frequently, so you can iterate without losing progress. Now you implement the core mechanics using triggers and grouped objects. First, place sensors and portals, then attach move and rotate triggers to create new behaviors, like sliding floors or rotating hazards. Once done, use alpha and group triggers to toggle visibility and reuse patterns. That reduces clutter and improves performance. Then add a custom game trigger for score or mode switches. This ties mechanics to rules. Test repeatedly in a short loop. Note object ID and iterate until timing. Finish by polishing and preparing to publish. You should optimize object count, merge repeated groups, and refine collision shapes so performance stays smooth. Then configure publish details, difficulty, concise description, and tags. Add practice checkpoints to help players learn. Once ready, export and upload. If something breaks, isolate the failing trigger or group, revert to a recent backup if needed, and use stepwise testing. Re-enable elements one by one, so you find the bug quickly and fix it without rebuilding everything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.